Did you know that LiDAR sensors on your iPhone have a secret superpower? Turns out they can see around corners. A team of researchers at the MIT Media Lab just published a paper proving that a cheap, under $100 consumer LiDAR system can perform non-line of sight imaging, a trick that used to require a $50,000 laboratory setup. The physics behind it is quite interesting. So LiDAR works by firing laser pulses and measuring the picosecond time of flight. Normally, the sensor only registers direct line of sight reflections, but when a laser pulse hits a wall, the light scatters. Some of those photons bounce off the wall, strike a hidden object around the corner, bounce back to the wall, and finally scatter back into the sensor. The catch is that this multi-bounce return signal is incredibly faint and noisy. A single frame from a consumer sensor only gives you a chaotic mess of data points. To solve this, the researchers developed an algorithm called motion-induced aperture sampling. So instead of fighting the natural hand jitter of a smartphone or the vibration of a robot, they turned it into an asset. It functions similarly to how burst photography stacks noisy frames to create a clean, low-light photo, or how satellites use synthetic aperture radar to turn motion into spatial resolution. The algorithm models the object's shape, its motion, and the camera's exact position over time into a unified multi-frame measurement model. By enforcing temporal coherence across a sequence of frames, the system strips away the noise and extracts the underlying signal. And the results are pretty staggering for a sensor with roughly 100 pixels. The system can reconstruct 3D shapes of completely hidden static objects, track multiple moving targets out of view, and even use hidden landmarks to calculate the camera's own spatial location in real time. The researchers have already open sourced the code, which opens up massive possibilities for robotics, autonomous vehicles, and AR/VR tracking without relying on expensive proprietary hardware. If you want to stay up to date with the latest engineering insights, be sure to subscribe to the Better Stack channel.